I cannot see anything. There we go. Well, what is up? Thanks for tuning in. Oh, welcome to UTMX. Today, we're riding my favorite trail in Utah. Okay, here we go. For the first time of the year, because it's been winter. But, whoa. Oh, guys, this is an epic trail. I didn't film the beginning. It's a bit rougher, so I wanted to focus on riding and not chatting. But I'm gonna film a bunch of the rest of it. It's just a great trail that's got a mix of everything. Fast and flowy, some little enduro sections. For the most part, it's a fast and flowy trail though. My name's Cody. I'm on the a little bit of arm pump. Hey, like I was saying, my name's Cody. I'm on the 2020. Oh, fuck. Well, my gosh, guys. I got caught in the wrong gear. Oh, make fun of me in the comments all you want. I'm an idiot. Oh. I'm also short, so when I fall off the bike, I'm hanging on the side, dabbing. Well, the arm pump wasn't too bad until I effed up that little section. Now they're pumping. Yeah, like I was saying, I'm on the 2020 XC300, 300XC, however you want to say it. Kyle in front of me is on the 2020 CRF 450. Kicking up dust so that I can't see anything in the sun. My buddy Jesse's behind me on a CRF 450, which he just got the suspension rebuilt by moto experts. He had it resprung for his weight. He got it lowered an inch and softened up for more of the extreme riding instead of the motocross that it was set up for to begin with. And it is much better. Oh, I love this bike. It just lugs. Oh, my tire is getting bald though, so hard to find grip. Whoo! Yeah. Oh, I smell skunk, or possibly campers smoking a blunt. Those tree roots, the ones that get you, the ones that are at an angle. Woo! Hit those wrong, you dump it right over. I should have filmed the start because I was riding a lot better. Now I'm riding like a little bitch. Huh. I'm surprised it's this dusty already. The trail literally opened last week. They probably could have opened it earlier. There's no way this was wet a week ago. This is bone dry. But we were doing trail maintenance and stuff too, so how you it? Oh, I love the suspension on these KTM 300s. A lot of people don't like the air forks, but I came from a KX 450 2017 with air forks, and I'll tell you what, those air forks sucked. So these are like a freaking heaven. I love this section. Whoa! About dumped her. I love this section though because it's, I just love being in the woods. It's thick trees, shade, river crossings. Oh yeah, oh, this spike tree right there. We came once, it was a little wet. I about slid off into that and died. It is super dusty though. When the sun comes up like this, I can't see anything, so I got to give Kyle in front of me a little bit bigger gap. Yeah, what's up guys? Get in the comments. Tell me where you're from, what bike you ride. Oh, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Come along for the ride because we are going to be riding a lot. We're going to be hitting fun trails. It's going to be a good time. Alright, we're going to be going back up for a little while. This video doesn't have any specific topics. Here in a minute I'm going to switch over and make a different video on my favorite trail, so subscribe to see that one. Fast, flowy, getting a 5th gear on it. 5th gear on single track is fun. But yeah, I'm just glad to be out here riding up on my favorite trail. You wait all winter for the trails to open. Now it's time to enjoy them. Alright, yeah. Hope you have a good day. I'm going to sign out for now. Let me know if you like longer videos or shorter videos. I'm going to try and make this a little shorter. So I'm going to sign out now and split this video up into 2 or 3 different ones. Thanks for watching. Come along for the ride. Smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Peace. I always let it roll for a minute in case I crash. Yeah, oh, there's Kyle. Peace.